When your car won't turn over but still has power, you're at the crossroads of frustration and DIY opportunity. So you turn the key, and you're met with silence, or maybe a click. But the lights work, the dashboard's lit up, and the radio's singing Springsteen. Let's roll up our sleeves. First, make sure it's not something as simple as a drained battery. Despite the power to accessories, your battery might not have enough juice to crank the engine. Grab a multimeter and check the battery voltage. Should be around 12.6 volts for a full charge. Anything around 12.0 volts or lower, you're in the weak zone. If the charge is fine, we move on to the starter. Connections can loosen or corrode. Find it. A little internet sleuthing for your car model points the way. And check the wires are secure and corrosion-free. Sometimes giving the starter a gentle tap can nudge it into action, but this is more of a short-term get-home trick than a permanent fix. The ignition switch could be the culprit too. Signs of wear or failure include flickering dashboard lights or accessories that turn off and then on again. Swapping it out usually involves some disassembly and dealing with electrical components. Don't overlook the fuel system either. A fuel pump failure means your engine is probably starving. You might hear a whining noise from the back of the car if it's trying to work with no success. And let's not forget the security system. Some cars won't start if they think it's being stolen. A malfunctioning immobilizer or a key fob on the fritz could be your villain. Sometimes a simple reset, like disconnecting the battery for a few minutes, can coax it back to sanity. Finding out why your car won't turn over but has power is sometimes detective work with a side of light auto repair. If these tips don't turn the key to success, it might be time to call in the pros. Because unless you're ready to dive into wiring diagrams and test components, you're bouncing into an area where experience is king. Remember, there's no shame in hitting the limit of your car knowledge. It's a complex machine. Sometimes the best tool in your garage is your phone, ready to call a trusted mechanic. And while I'm not turning a wrench in my Portland driveway, I'll be digging into some of my favorite car forums, soaking up the wisdom of gearheads who've been there and dealt with that. Keep on motoring, folks.